Aquí estamos en la casa Mano Amiga de Valgue, donde los jóvenes de la delegación de Canadá están haciendo un mural de tapitas.
¿Bien?
Like, look, some of them are just like,
Another hat?
Yeah.
That doesn't look like cake. So I mean, it's the bottom, there's all the... I don't know if we have enough white to do that, man.
I feel like they have white stuff over there, though. Yeah, there's white over at the other space.
Yeah, we need some white. The bowl.
They're like,
Yeah.
I think maybe we're seeing that. Oh, maybe not. Maybe there's more than I thought. Can you keep going with this so that we have it?
Oh, okay. A base sword.
Just
needs attention, please.
See if we can get some more brown.
I feel like the brown doesn't need to be washed.
I told him you should be some, like, in Toronto, known as this kind of graffiti artist, like, all over the city.
Later on,
This part
column we're gonna do that
is going to be blue, white, blue for the flag.
Okay.
Why don't, okay, what's this part actually? That's going to be white or clear. Okay. No lo voy a escuchar.
Yeah.
Part that's opposite to the red.
All the blues in here.
White and black.
We need some concrete.
And all the...
Estamos muy también.
Kawaii, ¿qué onda? Esta buenita. Yeah, it's like a dove.
No, dos encima, no.
¿De qué cosa buena, Karen? Por
When we're doing jokes, we kind of rude.
I fucked up.
Mira, te puso con Roberto.
Sure. We're filling up where shade.
Y una hasta aquí.
They're in the bucket there.
Ballena también.
Qué bueno que no entienden.
What are you writing? Just life?
¿Qué?
The same stuff we did to the fish, that's what I wanted to do to this. Because once it's dry down, it's what I argue. This control is really different.
One, two, three. Cool. Can we stand up?